I feel like a lot of the things that have happened this year, I'm like, I'm glad it happened, but what the fuck?
Midday sex is allowed.
रात को नहीं कर सकते बस.
रात में
रात
बच्चा
को.
होता ना.
मुझे लगा किस करने से होता है.
I used to think that in rubbing bodies.
जो मेरे बारे में ऐसे बोला रुक तेरे को कहना पड़ता.
No, that's exactly what it is.
Gone up. No, like I'm not dissing.
Yeah.
Oh.
I can't. It's funny.
Yeah, no.
It's funny. कहने को
Yeah,
जश्न
बहारा.
Kim
ठीक है
and
भाई.
I in a rickshaw.
Date में रिक्शा सिर्फ वही ला सकते.
Guys, you know what my mom made me yesterday?
What?
Pijo.
Pijo.
Oh my god, I love him. If you remember, डब्बे में पाव लेकर आए.
पाव लेकर आती थी
मेरे
हमेशा.
घर की रोटी सच में बकवास है. पता नहीं. And I'm not ashamed to say it. Zainab auntie.
बेचारी आंटी यार.
Look, Srushi cried.
Dude, I actually was like, what the fuck, dude? Are you okay?
Hi guys, I'm Sanjana.
Hi, I'm Dhritika.
I am Zia.
And I'm Srishti.
And we are Besharam.
Okay. Can I just say that the OG Besharams are back?
Yeah.
And we're in
can
like the
say
first ever
You can
setup
say it,
also.
but they will let you know if they want that or not.
They love me.
They
Yeah,
do.
I think, yeah.
Chotu
I
sab
think
mera
we can
definitely
all
do.
hear the comments already.
Chotu sab mera
Srushti didi
bhai.
aa gayi.
हाँ.
Yes.
Finally
छोटू
she's
सी
here.
भाई की बहन आ गई.
We're also back to our first original setup.
Yeah.
I,
I mean, the
honestly miss this
sofas.
place. I
Yeah.
really, I miss the pillows and being like all
I mean,
cozy.
I really do miss it. And it's like, it's very cozy here.
It's
I
very
love
cozy.
sitting marni mar ke.
Zia only
Same,
wanted a
same.
blanket and then she would just fall asleep.
I wouldn't
Yeah.
fall asleep. I'm usually like, whenever we do hang out, I'm always under a blanket.
Yeah.
It's true.
Srushti's
It's
house
very true.
especially.
Srushti's house, yeah.
Yeah.
Not my house.
But I have a question. You know, I feel why it's okay. It's not a question. It's more of like a statement. But
Yeah.
why should closures be given by like exes? You know, I feel a closure should be there for a year as well, wherein you get like an entire like a well-rounded end or like a recap to your year.
Fair.
Theory knowledge full hai, practical mein zero.
I got so scared. Why is she talking about exes and all?
Yeah, no, I try to
Ex
relate it.
hooks.
What are your personal like recaps or like closures to this year? What do you feel like
bro,
that has been?
crazy.
I think it was so long. I think one thing
definitely.
2024 was long,
Long.
yet like very like it felt like a podcast episode and a YouTube short at once.
I feel like I've
No?
lived
Yeah,
Oh my god, that's so
Definitely.
like
apt.
apt.
But sorry, copyright.
Because it's yeah, like you said, it's been so long, and even like mid-year, I was like, okay, fine, it's getting over, but it's still like fucking going on.
I feel this year for our generation, people or the people who are born at the same year as us, I think they've taken a lot of decisions this year. Like,
Yeah.
like huge decisions have been taken by people this year, and I don't know. It's scary to think about how those decisions we've decided to do those things, and
yeah, like
they're
not
going to
even
be.
being entirely ready to do it and just
Exactly.
doing
You're
it.
just doing it because there's no time in your hands to like wait, think, and then take the decision.
I remember seeing this reel or like multiple reels. I think this is like a small trend or something, but it just basically showed people in various settings and being like, do it tired, do it stressed, do it unprepared, do it not ready, just do it.
Exactly.
And I feel like that has been like a very good summation of what my year has been.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Bro, I feel like I've lived 4 different lives in this one entire year. I mean, first of all, I have moved to another country. I have stayed alone. By the way, let me tell you guys, I had not even traveled internationally before this. And my first international trip / whatever
Like
it
living
was,
alone.
it was living alone, an experience. So I'm in Singapore right now. Like right now I'm in Bombay, but I've shifted to
Just in Singapore right now. This is a hologram.
AI. So
Yeah.
I'm studying in Singapore right now. I'm completing my masters, and the course is actually very rigorous, and
Yeah, it's
I
a
don't want to talk
master's.
about
Yeah,
it.
Yeah,
it's
let's
rigorous
not.
for us. Can you believe it?
We
When
barely
we're
get
sitting in
to-
Bombay.
Yeah.
And the first
One
time,
thing about
Yeah.
one thing about being best friends is like if one of us is going through it, we're all going through it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
for sure.
yeah,
Oh, for
You know,
sure. I
whenever
think-
like one of us is in a very toxic situation, which like we may or may not be right now as we speak, you know, we're all like in a toxic situation. Then we are all. I'm
We're
telling
all
you,
thinking alike.
Everyone
we all,
living-
all
everyone's
four
living
of
that
us.
toxic situation
you
together.
combine
Yeah.
this, you get one brain only.
Yeah, we all share the same brain cell at times.
We share the same brain. We have only one brain.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I agree.
Continue. Sorry.
So that's what I mean. The first time I ever go to another country, like a lot of my firsts have happened this year.
Mm-hmm.
Like
Lot of your
a lot
firsts,
of
yes.
my firsts, and I'm grateful, but also like
Yeah, I feel like a lot of the things that have happened this year, I'm like, I'm glad it happened, but what the fuck?
Exactly.
Like I'm still trying to wrap my head around so many things that happened in the beginning of the year as well, and like things that have happened now, so I don't even know how long it'll take for me to
bro,
process.
you know they keep making those reels like December me, nahi, January me would be surprised to see
Yes.
December me.
But do you actually remember what happened month by month?
Like,
If you
what
had
do
to
you-
break down,
Yeah.
do you remember?
I remember. See, I think the year started off rocky, and I have a theory for that, but I'm going to save that theory for like a different video. But I think it started off rocky. Of course, I had a major loss in my family, and that was pretty sad. And then, you know, I had this. Oh my god! I remember this so vividly. Right? I had this one day. I call it the Cry Fest of Feb 6th.
Okay.
And I thought of this name last night when I was thinking about this. But yeah, I remember this day so vividly.
Yeah.
I had a meeting on Zoom at 8 a.m. and then I had a 9:30 class. Okay, I finished the
This is in
meeting
the
up.
morning?
Yeah, this is in the morning.
Okay.
And then something happened in the meeting, and that really hurt me. I don't know why. It just ticked me off. I shut my camera, and then I started like sobbing, right? And then I cleaned my face up, and then I turned my camera on. I did what I had to do, and then I went on to college. And of course, I did my like full face of makeup and everything. I could not. My makeup could not make it to college. Unfortunately, I have cried my way. Like it did not survive the cab ride.
Oh,
It was all like I have videos. Hold on. So I'm sure you guys even know about this. I must have told you guys about this day. But yeah, anytime I spoke to anyone about anything on this day, it didn't matter if it was hurtful. It didn't matter if it was funny. The only reaction I had was tears. I was crying
no.
at everything. In fact, I had people that like I had one friend of mine, Yashvi, and she was like, Zia, don't cry. Like just like whenever you feel like crying, just look at me, I'll make you laugh because she has like a very funny laugh. And I looked at her, she laughed at me, and I cried.
Is this because of the death
Maybe,
that
but it was a
happened?
lot of
I
things.
think just
A lot of
combined.
pent-up
snowballing.
Yeah.
You've seen
sure.
this.
Yes,
Oh,
I
yeah.
have. I have.
You remember this?
Yes,
Did I meet you
definitely.
this day?
I don't think.
I absolutely hate when you're going through something and then you try to like get your full face of makeup done to make you feel better.
Yeah.
And then you look at yourself like, okay, don't cry, Sanjana. Don't
Yeah, and then
cry.
there's, like,
and then one tear is coming and you have to take the tissue and be like,
Yeah.
like, bitch, don't fall.
Do not fall.
Yeah.
Please.
No, I
so
know.
the worst part was that I always go to like college with a full face, and then people saw me. I think for the first time without mascara because it all just was not there.
Non-existent. It was
It-
on my face.
I cleaned it up to the best of my abilities, but yeah, as soon as I entered class, like my one friend that I had in class was like, "Hey, are you sick?" I'm like, "Why would you call me sick? I just don't have mascara on."
Yeah.
I can relate.
Yeah.
Dude, just like you
Right.
had like this
Right.
crazy cry 6th February fest.
Yeah.
I think this is the third year that this has happened to me where July has been the suckiest of all the months. This is the third year this has happened to me. And it's not like July, it's like mid-June to mid-July, the worst time of the year. Everything is just fucking going south. Nothing's happening to how I wanted it to happen. And in the remaining of July, it just goes like, yaar, ye kya ho gaya, yaar?
Really,
Yeah.
July has always been one of
This
the
is-
best months.
I
for
know.
me.
I remember having this conversation
yeah,
with you.
Yeah, July has always.
And this
I
is the
don't
third
know.
year this has
I don't
happened.
know
And
why.
it's every time the month of July when it goes the shittiest of all.
July is my best. July is
I
always
fucking hate
one
it.
of my best. I love it.
Yeah.
I feel like mid-year is just very confusing to me because I'm like, you're neither here nor there. Just like fucking
Yeah.
end or like start, you know?
Maybe.
Like just don't be in the middle. Don't be stuck. Just keep moving forward.
Yeah.
You know, like just
I feel
June,
like-
July as a month as months only shouldn't
निकाल
exist.
देना चाहिए.
I
Filler
feel
hai bhai,
at
filler.
peace actually
Filler hai.
after my birthday. I feel at peace. This is September 16th.
I feel like peace. I feel at peace from like September because I feel like
Yeah.
the end is approaching.
No,
Definitely.
no, that's when I get anxious.
I think it's
Pro
August,
Max.
Augustish for me. August to December is when I'm like, chill hai yaar.
October starts and I know some random fuckery.
Oh
is
yeah,
going to
her
happen.
bad time is like.
Oh
during
yeah, your bad
December.
time's October.
No, but
Yeah.
like in
I know, I know.
December, I don't know why everything falls apart. Even for me, everything falls apart in December.
Really?
You remember like all the things that were happening last year, and then this year too. Like I'm not doing well. Like I know all of us are very busy and
Right.
everything, but like genuinely mentally, I am doing horribly right now.
Oh shit.
Yeah,
It's maybe people have winter.
yeah. So that's
What's
seasonal
it called?
depression.
Yeah,
Seasonal
seasonal
depression.
depression.
Seasonal
But-
I
depression.
wouldn't call it depression, but like
Yeah.
some people do feel gloomy because of there's no
Yeah,
light.
yeah, yeah.
Lot of
It's
people
not
do
days
that.
are
there's no-
shorter. and
Yeah,
stuff.
yeah, yeah.
Fair. But yeah, what up?
Because the sun sets like quicker,
Yeah,
and
pretty
then
much.
you're like, oh my god, I didn't achieve enough in the day. What?
definitely.
Like, wagera. But yeah, that's where I'm at. I think this year was big for me also because I also lived alone for the very first time. Alone
Yeah.
means like without my parents, my sisters were with me,
Unsupervised.
unsupervised.
But you had one entire house to yourself with nobody living with you, so that's pretty
Correct.
much calling it alone.
But then I was so lame about it, you know.
No, I
Like-
think you did it very tastefully. I
don't-
think you weren't
Yeah,
very
we were-
hyped about it. You weren't very chill.
Yeah.
I think you knew when you
I
had to
think
hype it
yeah.
up.
you took it on as and when it came. Like I
Yeah.
don't think you had a lot planned prior
Fair.
to
Yeah, I didn't.
having that space for
Yeah.
yourself. But I feel like as and when it came, you made the most out of it.
What I knew for sure was that I want to spend as much time as I can with my friends because I knew that like this stretch of like maybe 45 days without my parents is never going to come back.
At least in
Ever.
the near future.
Yeah.
Not in the, like ever. Like I don't think they're going to take like a long
Or
trip
even
ever
if they
again.
go, we won't be available at the
Okay.
same time.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
also
yeah.
there.
That's also there.
Exactly.
Fair,
Like
fair.
I've had so many sleepover. Like one like incidental sleepover I had with Sanjana, and it was like
Oh god.
the best thing ever.
Yeah, and bro, we were so
Tell
tired
them
even
what
before
night
it
that
started.
was. Tell them.
The-
what night that
oh
was.
shit, yeah.
Yeah.
So one other big thing that we did this year was obviously say bye bye to Shrishti.
Yep.
And
she's back.
And now she's back. So that was big. Like when we went to the airport to drop her off, and then it was like really heavy. Really like you know that
It was
point.
the night before that.
No, it was that. It was the
It was
night
the night
before.
before
Sorry.
that.
Yeah, it was
But-
the night before, right?
Like you know that point in like in your like friendship where you have to drop your friend off and then like you sort of know that they're like leaving, and then I remember like looking at you and I was like, the next time we see her she's going to be completely different.
Yeah, and
And then like I don't know if this is like a shared experience or not, but like you kind of avoid looking at them and then you look away,
no, because
Oh my
I
God,
know
yes.
because
right?
when
Like because you don't
That's
want to
happening
cry.
right now.
Yeah,
the
I don't
thing
think I've
is-
had a full conversation with her.
you look away because you don't want them to see you cry, and you don't want them to cry because you want them to have like the best experience
yeah.
ever. And
you don't
know,
want them to go with that feeling of, oh, I'm leaving someone
Yeah,
behind and they're
yeah.
feeling bad about me leaving as well.
yeah.
And
And the only thing I told Suresh I remember was that you're going there for something bigger than yourself. Fuck whatever's happening over here. Focus on yourself over there. Focus on growing. Focus on learning. And that's all you need to do.
Yeah,
Like
and
there's nothing else you need to worry about.
And I feel like something
So yeah, even I remember the time when I was going inside I was looking at all three of them, and they were just holding so strongly. I could see them that they are controlling. So I was like, no, even I'm not going to cry. I won't cry. And I actually did not cry until I went inside. I did not cry. I tried to cry inside also. And I tried to film myself. But the lighting was so bad.
I remember.
The
That
lighting was bad,
I
guys.
was trying not to look at her because I was like, yeah, like you said, like I would start crying and then I told
You
myself,
know what broke me?
her mom.
Oh,
Same.
definitely.
Which once you left, and then I was just, only want to tell auntie, like, you can call me anytime if you need anything, And I just, like, I could not look at her.
Yeah.
I have no idea how Adi does it.
And then
Yeah.
auntie was crying, and then she started crying, and then I started crying.
Yeah.
I couldn't
And I
even
was
say,
like,
I was choking up while I wanted to tell her that auntie just, like, call me whenever.
yeah. And I was like, I'm not going to cry. And I did not. Did I?
A little
didn't.
bit.
I did. Oh, by the way, we also
I'm
filmed
getting-
a
I am also
surprise.
getting choked up, but, like, I'm keeping it in. I'm not looking at her.
But we also filmed like a Sushti coming back vlog, which we've
Yeah.
posted, and
Yeah,
you got to
we
go
did.
check that out.
Yeah.
if you
She
haven't already.
surprised us.
Yeah.
And the reactions were something that I predicted.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
Good. But yeah, even on the cab ride to and fro from like the airport,
To and fro.
I remember the three of us had gone alone and we came back alone also.
Yeah.
And going to the airport, it was so different because we were like joking about her, like, oh, she's gonna go now.
Yeah.
And then the cab
Remember
ride
there was
back,
traffic, and then we're like,
Yeah.
भाई यहीं से goodbye कर लेते हैं यार,
Bye.
वो
We're
ऊपर
like,
दिख
yeah,
जाएंगी.
plane दिख रही ना, bye bye.
Bye bye.
And on the way back, we just felt so empty.
Yep.
Like the energy was so different on the way back home.
Yeah.
I remember, I think, I feel like every international student is going to relate to me when I say this. You don't cry when you're leaving. Mostly, most of us, we wouldn't cry when we are leaving from the airport. It's a time when you go there and do something that you've never done in your life at your hometown.
Even my
Yeah.
sister, she recently went to the UK in September only, and all of us were crying. I mean, my sister is much more closer to her than I am because they're the same age. And I remember my sister was crying, Mama's a little emotional, like my bua, my fufa, everyone's emotional, and she isn't crying at all. She's like pumped up to like, go and like, do
Explore
whatever.
and
Yeah,
see new
she's
places. Same.
excited about it. It's just
Same.
like you. And then I think a week after, she, like my sister was on a video call with her, and she just broke down. And my sister was like, bro, what happened to you? Are you fine? Like, what's wrong? She's like, nothing. I'm just really missing the feeling of having to not do everything by myself. And like, it's the work is done without even me asking ask my mom to do it for me. It's just done. And
Yeah.
it was like such an emotional moment for her.
Yeah.
And I
I
feel
can
like
imagine that.
a lot of people, myself included until a while ago, was like, oh, it's like the big things that you miss doing or like the big moments. But I feel like it's also these small moments
Very
where
small
definitely.
things.
you wouldn't even clock it in before you've actually lived alone, that oh, this is also something that I'll have to do on my own or without
Definitely.
like any assistance.
So I saw
Exactly.
someone else also say this on it was a reel. It's probably some an international student, and he was talking about how it's easy to leave home for the first time. It is far more difficult to leave for the second time. When you come back and then you go back again, that is when it hits you like this isn't your home.
Yeah.
Like
It's never
India,
gonna be a home.
it will
again.
never be your home again.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And
so
that sucks.
yesterday when I came back home, I just knew that once again, I'm going to come back over here after 2 months.
Yeah.
And I don't know, the feeling was very weird. Like,
Yeah.
it felt like मैं किसी और के घर में आके रह रही हूँ.
Shit.
And
I can imagine how that feels.
I went inside and I opened my cupboard. There is nothing in my cupboard anymore. There's just like other stuff kept. But there's still like bits and pieces of me
Yep.
here and there.
Yeah.
But it's a different
All of my
experience.
t-shirts are in there. Bitch.
No, I'm pretty sure she took all of them to Singapore.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, 3 to I've taken.
Dude, I
Yeah, yeah.
literally, I removed that pink t-shirt and I kept it out and I
The
forgot
coffee
to get
one.
it. Yeah, the coffee one. And I forgot to get it at the airport because I got late. Remember that?
Yeah.
अभी भी दे सकते हैं.
I know. देने वाली हूँ मैं.
Gift, parting gift.
So yeah, I guess like living alone, like, of course, it was different for Srush. It was different for me. Mine was like, I was living at home.
Yeah.
I had house help. I had, yeah. I mean, I was living at home and then my parents were away. That
Yeah.
was my experience of living alone. And hers was completely different.
Yeah.
Both very valid. Mine was way more fun. But
But you know, yesterday when I was leaving from there, I started crying तभी भी. Because वहाँ की भी आदत हो जाती है एक point के बाद.
Definitely.
And so there's this thing, okay. So we have like these rooms. I stay in a hostel. So we have the card system while opening the door. You like, it's like the hotel rooms. You
Yeah,
tap
yeah.
it, and there's a certain noise that card makes. Okay, and it's just like fixated into my head right now. Like tinik, tinik. It's just always like that. So there are a lot of things that you're not allowed to do in the hostel room. Like
a lot of things.
yeah, like
ये क्या
you know,
बोल
you
रही है?
can't play
ये
music.
क्या से क्या हो गया?
Like you can't play
Can't
music,
play music.
from
of course.
a
And you forgot your
certain
AirPods,
time.
as we all know.
you can't play music like after 11.
Yeah.
You can't even have, so there are different floors for the girls and different floors for the boys. So you can't have like boys coming into your
Yeah.
room after
Yeah, of
11 till
course.
7 and all of that. But we
Till
all
7.
want to.
Otherwise, you can have as much sex as you want.
Sapsu.
Midday sex is allowed.
रात को नहीं कर सकते भाई.
Yeah. रात में
रात
बच्चा होगा
को.
ना. रात में करेंगे तो बच्चा होगा.
मुझे लगा किस करने से होता है.
मुझे लग
I used to think that rubbing bodies.
no,
Like,
I
as long as you're like,
No, it's just this.
as long as there's friction.
Zia is just this.
What is this? कट्टी. मैंने तो
चलो
nursery में बड़े
congratulations.
बच्चे बनाए मैंने.
Congratulations हो गया आपका. हाँ.
and so you can't have like boys come up to your floor, girls can't go. But we used to all hang out together till like very late. So then we used to stay in the hang out in किसी एक का रूम में. तो किसी एक के रूम में सब बैठे रहते थे और जो वार्डन्स कैसे है वो चेकिंग पे आते हैं ना, तो they knock 3 times. 1 2 3. They'll ask you, they'll wait for you to open. If you don't open, they'll once again knock 1 2 3. Then again, if you don't open
Once
or
more.
you don't reply, then they put the card and they come inside. सीधा अंदर घुस जाते हैं.
That's
So ऐसे 3-4 बार हुआ है, हम लोग को 3-4 बार पकड़ा है, बट हमेशा लाइक ठीक है बच्चे, हम हमेशा प्लीज 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 करके सॉरी
Sabrina
करके.
Carpenter too.
but yeah, what was your experience like?
Yeah, so that's what I was getting at. I was like, sorry, that was really fun. I was saying, okay, you know, your experience living alone, mine was
Yeah.
very different. I think mine was so easy that it kind of was a highlight for me. It was right before Srush left, and then I had so many friends come up, and like I used to literally beg my friends, like, guys, please sleep over, get your suitcase and come over. I just want to spend time with my friends. Anyway, that's also like what my parents asked me to do. They were like, live it up. Okay, we're leaving for that long. You know, you should like live it up, do what you need to. So I had like all of my girlfriends over, and I had so much fun. Anyway, that I think was like a big part of my year. What was it for you guys?
For me, I think like of course all of us graduated this year, and a lot of people
Real.
like us
Yeah.
who graduated this year also, I'm pretty sure had like a significant period of unemployment after graduation, like before getting a job, for people who did get a job.
Yeah.
But I
For the
think
people who are still searching?
yeah, I feel really, really bad for those people. Like, I genuinely understand what you're going through. That is, if you're searching for a job. But I remember the initial few months of like after
Job search,
graduation, you know, like I wasn't even in my period of like, oh, job hunting
Yeah.
or like whatever. I was like, okay, this is the only time I'm gonna get the chance to be unemployed, because after this I'll of course have more responsibilities and stuff. So I'll not get that choice.
This is my last summer vacation.
This is my last summer vacation. That's how I saw it.
Yeah.
And I was grateful enough that my parents were okay with that. You know, they did tell me that, you know, oh, you should start searching, but they never forced it on me. They were never like, oh, you know, you need to do it. They were always like, you know, you should start now. It's a good time to start. But I, of course, did take my time. So I was like, you know, the first 3 to 4 months.
Thinking 10 दिन में तो मिल ही जाएगी job.
No, I swear, I was like, listen, how hard can it be?
A month at max.
A month, 2, 3 tops.
Yeah.
Tops.
So I took it pretty chill. I was not like stressing at that point. And I was in my zone of, you know, having fun, going out every day. Like I said, like, you know, my weekdays were also my weekends.
Yeah.
I wasn't living for the weekends. And as much as I hate that phrase, but my life was like that. Like
Yeah.
all of us was.
Definitely.
All of us were. And those 2 to 3 months was so much fun without any stress because no college. I didn't have to worry about like, oh, a job or anything. And I was just living, and initially it was damn fun. I was like all fun and games. And then slowly the stress and like the anxiety started to kick in, where I started applying, but I wasn't very serious about it. I was like, ठीक है, नहीं मिल रहा है, कल देख लेंगे. And that slowly started building up. And after the 3-month cap, it's no more fun. It's no longer
It's
fun.
it's not a joke anymore.
It gets real so like drastically and so quickly where you don't have time to process, and you're like, oh, what the fuck is happening? And then you start getting pissed at yourself, getting angry at yourself, like, wait, am I not doing something, or am I lacking something? And then what do I do to do that, to get that, you know?
Yeah.
And I was unemployed after college for like a good 6 months.
Yeah.
And the last 3 months before I was employed
That
was
bad.
hell. I'm pretty sure you all know
Yeah.
Yeah,
what
definitely.
it was.
As
Because we all
mentioned,
lived it.
we share a brain.
Yeah.
The 4 of us
definitely.
lived my single unemployment.
Yeah.
Yeah,
together.
yeah, definitely.
We were living Srishti living away. We were living your single brain. We were living. What the fuck were you doing, bro?
I left my job.
Oh, yes, you left
Very
it.
bad job.
So she got a job and then she left it also.
Oh yeah.
I forgot about that.
That's been
that
the
happened
highlight
this year.
of my year. Yeah. So I got a job instantly. You
I'm
guys
telling
know
you
after
guys,
I graduated.
Sorry.
Go on.
I'm telling you guys, we've lived like 4 different lives.
Definitely.
In this year,
Yeah.
for sure. For
Definitely.
sure. So about your job, yeah.
Yeah. So you know, like the first month of any job seems like very new job, this, that. You're gonna learn new things. You're gonna meet new people, new experiences, X, Y, Z, whatever. And then if your workplace is bad, you realize in the second month that, oh my god,
Yeah.
shit's
I
not
can't.
happening.
Yeah, I can't.
Shit's not happening.
This is an adult job.
Exactly. And I was okay with taking up whatever responsibility was thrown at me. I wasn't like, oh my god, I'm new at this, I can't do it.
Yeah.
I'm like, yeah, okay. Under the right guidance, I will learn, not a problem.
Yeah.
But then it just went south from the second month of my job. And I left my job eventually. And then for a week, I felt pretty good. I was like, you know what? Good riddance. We don't need the money right now. It's fine. We can focus, get a better job, X, Y, Z. Cut to a few days, a few weeks have passed, and then I felt like I'm 21. I don't have a job. I'm not in college. I don't have anything to look forward to.
Yeah.
What the fuck am I doing?
It gets to you
I
and
mean,
it gets to you hard.
There's nothing real happening in my life right now other than the podcast. And that was something that kept me going, definitely. But that's not all that I needed for me to, like, you know, push myself up every day and be like,
Yeah.
ye karna padega, aaj ye karna, ye karna, ye karna. And then, what happened? Oh, yeah. And then after that, I decided to do MBA. And then I had to take my classes for my entrance exams. So I first went to inquire in various universities that would offer my course. I checked what exams they were accepting in their college, and then took the classes. And I think that was the highlight of my year.
Yeah.
That's because I said, right, big decisions were taken this year, and I think this was the
Yes.
most prominent one.
I think
Leaving the job and deciding to do
what your next step would
yeah,
be.
definitely.
This is so crazy. Both of their highlights are like so serious and, you know, like.
No, I feel like the level of like you can't really judge the seriousness. It's different
Yeah,
for everyone. We
yeah.
all were like, even though we graduated at the same time, we definitely went on very different tangents
Yeah.
Definitely.
after.
Yeah.
So my highlight of the year was this one time I had a fight with my dad when I was in Singapore. And so we had a fight about something very silly. And then, unlike every other daughter or every other child, I was like, okay, अब मैं जा रही हूँ बाहर पार्टी करने, मैं कल बात करूँगी. So then,
This
Love.
happened in Singapore.
yeah. So I had a fight with my dad. And I was like, खाना खा के पार्टी करने जाऊंगी क्योंकि बाहर खाना महंगा है. तो घर पे खाना खाया.
खाना घर पे.
मैं दाल चावल खा के
हम
पार्टी
लोग
करने
प्री
जाऊंगी.
बूस्ट नहीं, हम लोग प्री बूस्ट नहीं करते, हम लोग
खाना.
प्रीट करते हैं.
Wow.
तो तो मिल ही जाता.
खाना नहीं मिलता.
तो हम लोग खाना खा के बाहर गए और मस्त एंजॉय कर रहे हैं और वहाँ पे बहुत सारे गोरे लोग हैं, ठीक है. तो एक गोरे को हमने पकड़ा, ठीक है, और उसको जमल को तो सिखाया.
वाह.
उसको वो ग्लास वगैरह बैलेंस करके नाचना सब सिखाया. उसको हमने होठ रसीले सिखाया लिरिक्स के
Classic.
साथ.
Real.
What?
ये तो मुझे भी
होठ
रसीले.
रसीले वो
What?
होठ
हाँ.
रसीले.
We taught him all of that.
Love.
And then after that उसको वो मुझे हम लोग को पूछ रहा था, how do you say thank you and welcome in Hindi?
I love.
were like-
I love.
We were like हाथ जोड़ और वो और वो बेचारा जाके
Nice,
so
yeah.
fucking good.
You cultured him.
Cultured
I
him
mean, wouldn't
properly.
you say that it's like more culturally relevant though?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Definitely.
It definitely
I
is.
hate that. I hate that I said that.
In my opinion, it is.
Yeah.
But like as you said, you know, when you thought that the podcast was the only thing that was going for you or whatever, and then you felt like kind of empty. So I went to a house party recently, and I had someone like there was a lot of strangers over there, and somebody asked actually a lot of people. I was introduced by the birthday girl to all of her new friends
Yeah.
as this is Zia. She has a podcast.
Oh my god.
Yeah. And that's great and all, right? It's really great. I'm telling
For
you.
the first few times, it feels
not even the
validating.
first few times. I'm gonna own this. Like this
Yeah,
is something
definitely.
that we started from scratch.
Yeah.
And we are very proud of this.
Obviously,
Like,
we are.
Trust me, the hate really does not compare to how proud we are of ourselves.
Definitely not.
So, you know, whenever like the conversation always goes that I have a podcast, and then they're like, "Oh my god, I think I've seen you." They mention Chotu Sa Mera Bhai, and then they're like, and then they ask me, "How do you deal with the hate?" That
Yeah.
is legit every single like one of the
Yeah.
conversation. And like at like the fifth conversation in the party, I was like, I told this guy, I was talking to somebody. We went on the terrace. I don't know why I remember this so vividly, but I told him, like, dude, like, the podcast is not the only thing that I do. Like, I have other things about myself. And, he's like, what? Okay, what do you do? I was like, I'm getting my master's in counseling psychology. I work with a psychiatrist. I'm looking for another internship. And he deadass was like, but the podcast is the most interesting thing about you. That's fair. But then he proceeded to, like, his friend who was standing beside him was like, he proceeded to say that, oh, so you're an overachiever.
हाँ हूँ मैं. तुझे क्या है?
Yeah, why?
No, he was nice about it.
Oh, okay.
Listen.
Yeah.
मैं attack mode में चली गई.
मुझे
He
क्यों
was
छोड़ा?
nice about it. He was also a bit like, I don't think we could take him at face value because of how much
Oh,
he
okay.
was
That
Okay.
guy.
not in his.
That guy.
It was
Got
that
it,
guy.
got it.
It was
got
that
it.
guy. And yeah, so I was like, wait, hold on. I am sitting at home and I'm thinking every single night to myself that I'm not doing enough. And so I tell somebody, I actually say it out loud, and people are telling me that I'm overachieving.
Yeah.
That's crazy because I don't think I am.
Exactly.
Definitely.
Because for me, how I view it is, yes, I have my day job. Yes, I have the podcast. But in the back of my mind, for now, like podcast for all of us is a side hustle as of now.
Yeah,
Yeah.
It's not our main source of income.
it isn't.
And for me to picture it in that light, where it's like, where people are assuming it, not assuming, it definitely is a very big deal that we're doing this. But then it's difficult to picture it like how others are picturing and like just see it in that light that they are. Because it's not a normal thing. Like,
Not every group of
Not-
4 friends has a podcast.
Yeah.
yeah, exactly.
Exactly.
Which is
Clip
doing
that.
which
Yeah.
is doing so well.
Touch wood.
Which is
Yeah,
doing so
touch
well.
wood, exactly.
Yeah.
Fair.
And I saw this,
Yeah.
on Instagram that said no matter how big or small your accomplishment is or accomplishments are throughout the years, at the end of the year, you need to sit down with yourself and tell yourself, I achieved this.
Yeah.
And that's how you
Quantify, maybe.
feel validated about the year.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because you, at the end of the year, it doesn't matter if you've done like a huge thing for yourself or it's like a very small thing for yourself or anyone that you love. But when you sit down at the end of the day or at the end of the year and when you think it through, it just feels so validating.
Yeah,
That, oh my God, I got to do this throughout the year and I can't wait for the next year to come and
Yeah.
do more than what I did this year.
I was not compelled to think about what I did this year before, like, we decided to do this episode, and I went on in my camera roll and I had
Yeah.
to jot
Exactly.
everything down, and I was like,
Exactly.
fucking hell.
Exactly.
Because I have lived a year.
That's never been the perspective we've had before we shot this
Never.
episode.
And I feel that also happens because I feel like a lot of things you do happen on autopilot where you don't have the time to sit and process like, oh, I did this, I did that.
Right.
This is what has happened. This is how
They
good
just
I was.
swing by.
Exactly. So when you actually sit and put things into perspective, you're like, oh shit, I actually did a lot.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But guys, what point was your like lowest in this year? Like
Mine was to July, bhai. That was the worst month I had. I think anything that could have gone bad has happened in the month of July.
Yeah.
पूरे साल का कोटा बस वो 30 दिन में निकल गया मेरा.
Like,
बस.
last, like, 2022 ending, my grandfather got really sick, and then in the beginning of the year he passed. So that was, I think, it's hard to top that.
Definitely.
for you?
Like I don't want to make this all about my unemployment or
No,
whatever,
do it.
But like,
It's a real problem.
yeah, I mean, see, before that, I never really had a problem with like college or something. I was pretty sorted in college for most part of it.
Yeah.
And the only reason why I would say my lowest was like September is because that's when I believe I hit like rock bottom,
Yeah.
where I really felt like a failure. And I just was like, okay, what the fuck am I doing? So I think that was my moment.
What
I
about
knew
you? What about you?
Sanjana had hit. I knew Sanjana had hit rock bottom when at my birthday party she decided to take a nap.
So even though like September was my like rock bottom or whatever, I remember this one place that I'd interviewed at. I'm not going to name it, of course. But I went there. I went through the first round of the interview.
Yeah.
And they were like, yeah, don't worry. You're going to get your offer letter pretty soon. And I was all like very excited. I got my hopes up. And then
They said Monday, right?
they kept me, fuck knows, they kept me hanging for like 10 fucking days. And then they
Yeah.
were like, they give me a call and they were like, oh, we're deciding to not go ahead with your application anymore because we feel the podcast would be a problem. And in that moment, I was pretty sad. But then I realized that, oh, wait, if you think it's a problem, that means it's going good for us. So that was my moment. That was one of my moments where I was like,
Yeah.
you know what,
Yeah.
we're going to make it.
Wait,
like,
you
yeah.
will.
yeah.
I think I remember
if
you.
a full-blown corporate place is threatened by a 34,000 followers podcast.
Yes.
That
You're
speaks
onto something.
volumes.
That's it.
Definitely.
I think we should take their name. No, I'm joking.
No.
Dude,
But
one
yeah,
more
I
thing.
think I remember it was like the 27th that you got this call.
I
Because
just
I remember
remember
we were getting
them
our nails
saying
done.
कि तुझको तेरा
Yeah,
offer letter
yeah.
Monday को
First
मिलेगा.
October. Oh, and then your call that, like, you know, when your headhunter called you and was like, this might be a problem, was the morning of my birthday. Remember, you were at home, you slept over. And then you were inside in the
We
kitchen and you
got
were
our
talking.
nails done in
Yeah.
October. Your birthday was in September.
September.
Babe,
That
it was on
call
our nails
happened
day.
Oh, right. Sorry.
Before her birthday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
Before
okay.
her birthday.
But what were you saying, Ritu?
Yeah, I was saying one more thing I learned this year was that you can't be liked by everyone. And it's absolutely okay. I'm not going to call myself a people pleaser, but it would really, I wouldn't like the feeling of not being liked by the people who I really considered important in my life.
Yeah.
But then after this year, I realized even if you consider them to be important in your life, you don't know how they feel about you. And it's absolutely okay
Yeah.
if they don't feel the same about you. And it's probably best to either cut them off or just,
Pay no heed.
show whatever they give you.
Yeah.
Give whatever they get, get
Yeah,
whatever
take
you
whatever.
get. Just
People
give
are
that.
making choices
Yeah.
even if they are not. Like the biggest choice that you could make is not making a choice at all.
Yeah,
Yeah.
definitely.
So if somebody is not like actively choosing to be in your life and for them to be in yours, then I think you should take it as a sign that okay,
It's best to end it.
it's
I
best to
think
not be in each other's
you
life.
have to be okay with the fact that some relations are just one-sided and you can't do anything
Yeah.
about it.
Yeah.
Fair.
As much as you hate it or like
Unrequited
it.
friendships.
But other than that, I think this year was very like fun in terms of the pop culture as well. Like we got a lot of
my God,
memes,
yeah.
good
Oh my
memes.
God.
That is
So
so
many.
true.
I love good brain rot.
Good brain rot.
You know what? I'll go as
favorite
far as to
word.
say that in terms of culture and internet culture and like the general vibes, 2024 came very close to 2016.
I see it.
Wow.
Right?
I see it.
Like,
I see it. I see it.
I feel like overall for us as a community, it was a
Yeah.
great year. Like this year was the first year that I think we were not like fully facing like the aftermath of
Yeah.
COVID.
COVID. I was
Yes.
about to say that as well. Yeah.
And then we had like a completely normal year after like 4 or 5 years. No, 3 years.
3 years.
3 years. And it was so good.
Yeah.
I like the movies were great. The music was great.
Yeah.
Concerts.
The concerts were great. The memes were fucking
Fucking
phenomenal.
phenomenal.
I mean, I have no complaints when it comes to like community
The
and
medias,
culture.
yeah,
Yeah.
The
definitely.
media was hitting.
Same.
Media was
Definitely.
mediaing.
Definitely.
Guys, you know what my mom made me yesterday?
Why?
Pijo.
Oh my god, I love him.
So
That
cute.
kid has
Yes.
so good. I love him. He's with this
Pijo.
little steel plate sitting cross-legged.
Anand, his name is no? Arvind.
Aditya.
Aditya. Oh!
Sukhaiche.
Aditya
Pijo.
Sukhaiche. There is also this one.
Chabat, chabat, chabat.
That's literally us, bro. Like people.
Oh, yes.
Like you
That's
know.
also in your house.
No. You know, it's like the template. It reads that imagine hating on me, and I'm just sitting
My
in
mom made
bed.
it Pijo. That my mom made me.
Literally us. Imagine
You know,
hating
I
on
want to
us.
eat a homemade pizza made by my mom now.
With that ready-made.
Yeah,
Like,
that
yeah,
hasn't
crust.
happened in so long.
Bro, I haven't had my ghar ka khana in such a long time. I miss it. Yesterday, my mom was like, I thought you will eat out and come. And I was like, no, I had to eat at home. She was like, अच्छा ठीक है, रोटी और सब्जी बनाई है. Then I looked at that chapati and I was like, ये ही तो चाहिए था मेरे को इतने दिन
Drugs. इसने रोल किया, सूंघ लिया. भाजी सूंघ ली इसने.
ये मैं plain भी खा लूंगी.
She was being brat.
Oh my god, do you miss like jam and roti or something?
Jam and roti though you can make anywhere.
make
No,
them
the
so
roti is not the same.
Roti is not the
bro.
same.
Bro, मेरे घर की
It
रोटी
just
बहुत
doesn't.
बकवास होती है. Honestly.
मेरे घर की रोटी
मैं नहीं
best
खाती
होती है.
घर की रोटी. Bro,
I love my
you've
घर की
had
रोटी.
नहीं, you guys have never had. मैं if you remember also मैं डब्बे में पाव लेकर आई
पाव
थी.
लेकर आती थी
मेरे
हमेशा.
घर की रोटी सच में बकवास है. पता नहीं. And I'm not ashamed to say it. Zainab auntie.
बेचारी आंटी यार.
Yeah. I know Zainab auntie is a house help because my mom and my aunt don't know how to make roti. So she makes rotis for
Fair
us.
only, fair.
And she's damn nice. She
Yeah,
does her
but we
best.
love Zainab auntie.
Zainab auntie is great.
Why am I saying auntie?
तू
Why
क्या
is she
बोलेगी
not
और
auntie?
तू
Auntie.
ज़ैनब
Zainab
बोलेगी
Zainab
Zainab
auntie.
मेमड़ा ओ मेमड़ी
Memory.
That's
But yeah,
God.
we've jotted down a few like big moments in
Yes.
pop culture, and we really want to stack them up on a concise tier list. This is
Yes.
This is our final verdict. This is
let's
how
go.
the year was.
That's how
in
we give
terms
you
of
all a
culture.
recap of
Yeah.
the meme.
Oh,
Yes.
whatever.
the industry, yeah, and whatever happened on pop culture.
Yeah, industry
Pop
baby.
culture.
So here we have like a tier list. You should see this tier list on your screen right now. So
आपके
our
screen के ऊपर ये रहा.
7 crore. So I'll be explaining the
Lore.
the lore, the tier list right now. So like this is a basic tier list, right? So S tier is like
The best.
the best, you know. I see it going into 2025. This was like appropriately hyped, perfect type of, you know, cultural moment. A tier is a little bit lower than that, but still very, very good. Great. We can take it into 2025, but
It won't be that prominent.
it won't be that prominent. The people who know type of thing. Uh, the B tier is of course lower than that. Then
And
the
it
C
follows.
Keeps going
D,
lower.
E, and F tier is like,
The
why was that
worst.
even a thing?
Yeah.
We don't want to see this.
Yeah.
Please get your life
Get out.
together.
Yeah.
So that's where we're at.
Mm-hmm.
So this happened pretty recently. This is the Wicked press tour. If you guys know about it.
Yes.
So the Wicked movie
Oh, yeah.
with Ariana Grande and Cynthia Erivo. So it's an adaptation from the Broadway musical called Wicked, and then apparently this was like a very impactful musical for the people who saw it. You know, it spoke
Yeah.
to a lot of people. It's quite, you know, close to a lot of people's heart. And then there's like clips of Ariana Grande even saying that, you know, this is like her dream role. Like she'll
Right.
do anything to get this role.
Yeah.
There's a bit of drama about like her being like Alphaba instead of Glinda because she was in her black era, if you remember, when she sang Seven Ring.
Oh, with the tan.
Yeah, you like my hair?
G
Just
thanks.
got G thanks, just got it. Sure, like I believe you're not trying to be like black. For sure. You're not blackfishing. Anyway, so this press tour was like a mess. As we've said, not a mess. Actually, it was very entertaining. It did exactly what a press tour should, which is like make people talk about the movie.
Yeah.
And there was this iconic part of the press tour where they were like, so throughout this tour, because they're so emotional about it, they were crying. So, you know, there is clips of them and like there's entire interviews where they like get very emotional, okay? And people
Yeah,
are like,
I
"Is
do
this-
remember seeing it. Yeah, yeah.
Are they being for real? Is this just for promotion? What the hell is going on? Right? So this one interviewer, she said, I'll have them insert the clip here. But basically she was saying, so, you know, people are really holding space for the lyrics of Defying Gravity. And then Cynthia Erivo was like, oh my God, I did not know what that was happening. And she starts like tearing up. And Ariana Grande is like, no, it's okay. That's okay. She's consoling her.
I remember seeing this clip where Ariana just does this to her
Yeah.
hands or something.
She's like touching her nails.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. And the entire internet is confused. What does holding space for the lyrics of Defying Gravity mean? What the hell does this? Why are they having this big blown reaction about this?
Yeah,
Right?
I
There was
feel
another interview that was after this. And like Cynthia Erivo and Ariana Grande both like admitted that they did not know what was going on.
So they were just playing along.
No, so the interviewer also like, you know, when like you're in a moment and then you lie.
You just have to keep building on it
Yeah.
and not look like a fool.
And
Oh
then
my
just
god.
lie, just like avalanches into something so
Oh.
big. So she said, the interviewer said something. I'm sure she had like pointers, right? To cover like, say, covering Defying Gravity must be a pointer. And like towards the end, she must have been like, okay, what do I say? And then she went like people are holding space for the lyrics of Defying Gravity.
Yeah.
Cynthia Erivo thought that, you know, she had to have like a big reaction to it. She starts crying. And Ariana Grande like tells like the interviewer like, yeah, I had legit no idea what was going on. I was like
yeah.
completely
Because from there you're like, okay, how do I go back to it now? Like I
Yeah.
have to keep going forward.
yeah.
But I think also speaking about interviews, I don't know if you guys know of this one this really, really young interviewer. Her name is
yeah.
Taylin Biggs.
I do know her.
Bro, she's too good at her
She's
game.
very good.
So,
Oh yeah.
yeah.
I think she might be like what 10, 9, 10.
9, 10.
9,
She's
10 years
not
old.
older than 10.
She's
Yeah,
definitely
for
not
sure
older
not.
than 10. But she's such a great interviewer. Like I saw this clip of her interviewing again
Ariana
the
Grande,
cast of Wicked, and she's sitting in between them and taking a selfie. And like after the selfies, and she just removes her glasses and gives it, like hands it to
To
Ariana, just
Ariana.
assuming she's gonna take it. And then that was such a boss move, I feel.
That those
Yeah.
glasses are Ariana Grande's cry glasses. So on the press tour, she wears them when she has to cry. So
Oh.
she gave it to her.
Okay.
She's like, "These are my favorite glasses.
Yeah.
Let's take a picture."
Yeah,
in them."
yeah.
But I feel like a lot of people have also said this, but she just reminds me of Drew Barrymore. Like so
Yeah.
much.
She looks
The-
very
very
much
similar.
Like,
The energy is so similar. The style of her interviewing people is so similar. There was also this other clip where she was on set for the not on set for the promotion of Moana 2. Okay,
with
and
Dwayne Johnson.
I don't remember. I don't remember seeing that one, but I
Okay.
saw her interviewing another like really young fan, and both of them were like at the similar age. So she was interviewing. She was like, "Oh my god, tell me what you're wearing today," and this girl is like explaining like, I'm wearing this outfit because it really inspires me, and both of them are just hyping each other up, and I'm like, bro, it's so beautiful to see it at that like
Yeah.
9, 10. Imagine them like
Women
just-
in women
I-
feels.
Yeah.
Yes, love that.
Women
Like,
in women feel.
Yeah, women
Yeah.
in women
Exactly.
and it was so cute. Like we can insert this clip also, but it's
Yeah.
damn cute, yeah. How they were like
Yeah.
just speaking to each other.
But like with the Wicked tour, also like it. So this was very funny to me and to the internet also. Like people were making fun. Like I'm holding space for Besharam comments at this point in time. What does that
Yeah.
mean? No one
It's
knows.
okay. It's okay. I completely get it.
Look, Srushi
Like,
cried.
It's okay, babe.
This is going to be the thumbnail.
Oh. Dude, I actually was like, what the fuck, dude? Are you okay?
She needs to stop.
It's too
Anyways.
easy to fool people, yeah.
Yeah.
God.
I think the funniest part of the Wicked promotion has to be, I do not know if you guys know this, but this was so funny to me. Mattel, the toy company,
Yeah.
But, yeah.
has made some like dolls or like some sort of toy for the Wicked movie as like a promotion to Wicked. And they added a URL on the box. This toy was made for children, and people went to the URL, and the URL was wickedmovie.com. It directed to a porn site,
Oh my god.
and then Mattel had to like apologize.
The fuck?
And the porn site like caught on, so they made like graphics related to Wicked.
Oh, what the fuck? Marketing move, bro. That's too good. I appreciate that.
It's on Mattel toys. Like, what are you going to do?
Oh shit.
And this was a children. And I said, okay, so part of me is like, okay, children are not going to look up the URL. They're probably going to like Google it or like ChatGPT it. So that's fine. I hope no child got traumatized in this. I want to make this very clear. However, this as a separate thing of like a misprint is slightly funny.
Very funny.
It's
Very funny.
funny.
It's very, very
It's
funny.
very funny. So the Wicked press tour. What do you give to the Wicked press tour? What tier should it be in? We have S and then A to F.
I think E or D.
E?
Yeah, I think the Presto deserves
The
an
Wicked
A.
press tour.
But
Yeah.
the toy thingy,
The URL?
Yeah.
Good
that
B.
deserves a good B.
Yeah.
For sure.
I would give the toy thing an A, but you know what? I'm gonna compromise and I'm gonna let it be at B.
So another thing that I feel like was really like a thing and like in this year was the chicken shop date with like Amelia de Moldenberg, which and she had like a chicken shop date with Andrew Garfield. I feel like that went out of proportion for no reason,
Yeah. I mean,
Really?
and it was
I
no,
felt
no doubt.
pregnant through the screen.
Same. Even though it was like a 12-minute, I think, 12-minute video of them constantly flirting. And it was, I see the appeal that a lot of people had. It was a simple conversation, but the way they carried it and the direction that they
was-
let it go,
Yeah, it was done so tastefully.
very tastefully. And I love how he kept like trying to pursue her and she just kept being like,
Playing hard to get.
But
hard to
I
get.
generally I feel like Amelia is so fucking talented.
Yes,
I've been following
she
the
is.
chicken shop date since I remember the first one I saw was Jack Harlow, and I was having a big Jack Harlow moment.
oh yeah, I remember that.
And if there's any like chicken shop date episode that comes close to Andrew Garfield, it's Jack Harlow. And if you've not watched it, like this, it's so good. It's like there's this point in, I know I'm going like a little off topic, but there's this point in the Jack Harlow wala where he asks her, okay, like, do you know how to cook? And then she says no. He says, not to worry. And then she asks him, do you know how to cook? And then he was like, no. And then he's like, to worry. He's like,
Yeah.
they can live together. Like, he
yeah.
implied that without even saying it.
Like I feel she has a really good sense of humor, of course, but like I also feel like she knows how to like just behave on these dates
Right.
and have this appeal with all the guests, huh? That's impressive.
She's a
great.
great
And
interviewer. I
definitely.
think Andrew Garfield on the show is a good A tier. I feel like we actually even B, I would say.
I feel like
I don't want to
a good
take
A or
it into
B.
2025.
A B is good for me, I think. A
B
B or a
is-
C.
C. I think a C.
Yeah, I see
think
it
a C.
to be a C because
Okay,
when
let's
it
see
was
it
a
to
thing,
be a
it
C,
was big, but
definitely.
Yeah.
I guess, yeah. C tier, mediocre, run of the mill, although very cute, and I
Yeah,
don't want to
yes.
bash it
C,
at all.
yeah.
I think
One
next-
crazy thing that we forgot
Yeah.
happened this year was we won the World Cup.
What?
And then we won the World Cup.
Oh, fuck yes.
and you went home.
You went home early and you weren't there to witness it, but it's fine. And then we had the parade
Yeah. Did we
Yeah.
lose the World Cup
Yeah.
also this year?
last
That
year.
was last year.
Yeah, I remember.
And then this year we won.
yeah.
Yeah.
That was
Yeah,
pretty cool.
that was-
Love.
That was
And I
so
I
fucking-
love
As
the
like
fact that these two now enjoy watching cricket because Sushil and I did enjoy
Only a
it.
crucial match.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, it's like a. It
It's
has
like
to
an
be like an
India-Pakistan
exactly. It
match,
has to be like an
yeah.
India-Pakistan thing to be like.
Definitely.
Then everyone will enjoy it, bro.
Did you have you ever watched India Pakistan match before? You have.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I remember when
Didn't they act like they've never watched a
Watched a
match
match
before?
before?
Are you
What? I
insane?
don't understand.
I
I
definitely remember.
I remember at her place, both of us, we were watching IPL,
Uh-huh.
and she was like, "इसमें run कहाँ पे दिखते हैं?"
Bro, I was joking. Well, okay, the bar that shows up like throughout it, right?
Yeah.
I did not know how to read the graphic. I know what runs are.
What's the graphic?
I just know.
What's the graphic?
You know the bar niche.
Arey, so basically, it has a lot of things like wickets, how many balls left. You don't know what is.
Yeah.
There.
Or like how much fucking what's the fucking Yorker? I don't fucking know.
Yorkers
Yorkers-
direct note
it's
Yeah,
like-
yeah, yeah, yeah. I did not know, na. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It hits the stump directly, right?
Yeah, there's no tappi.
Yeah.
हाँ.
Or like kachi roti.
पता चला.
Kacha nimbu.
छोड़ भाई.
What are we rating? what
I'm
should we
sorry, you
rate
don't know
the
what
World
kacha
Cup?
nimbu is, but you know what a Yorker
It's a good
is.
S.
Right?
Yeah,
S.
of course.
S
Yeah, winning
is
the World
good.
Cup
S.
is an S.
Yeah.
S.
True.
Wait, do you want to go next?
Wait a minute. Get a high level. set.
It's become so annoying now, though.
No, but I
But
feel
जब
like
भी था तभी
I get
जब
the
भी
appeal.
you know
Yes.
after the first phrase I don't know why वो Karan Aujla का winning speech आ जाता है because of the edits.
Huh?
अच्छा in her mind.
I haven't seen
Only in
also.
her mind. Exclusively.
She's gonna get
Yeah.
famous for Karan Aujla the second time.
Yeah, again, I know what I'm talking about and people are gonna know what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're
that,
like,
that
"Picture कर
happened.
शक्ल देखना था.
अच्छी तो है.
But I get the appeal of the song and why
Yeah.
it became so
Yeah.
famous.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
You sounded like a cow, dude. You sounded like a hungry cow.
But
yeah,
people
I
are
mean,
gonna take that
Amul
out of
वाले-
context.
अमूल वाले आ जाएंगे आप पकड़ के लेके
But I am in Maharashtra. That's pretty bad. It's
But,
pretty, like kind of political. I don't
yeah.
want to say that.
Yeah, I know, but I feel like
Big dogs. Big dogs in
is
general.
a big thing. Like,
It was a big thing.
yeah.
Like
and it gained recognition also quite fast.
Yeah.
Yeah, even internationally.
Yeah, I mean, ASAP Rocky had like a
Verse in it.
Eh?
He didn't do a verse in it, but when he performed, he did a verse.
Huh, yeah,
Yeah.
I was getting to that. Yeah, he
Yeah,
performed
Hanuman-
with
yeah.
Hanuman.
Kind.
Kind?
Hanuman kind.
Crazy.
Yes. Crazy.
But it blew up very quickly, and then just as quickly it became so brain rotty that I can't listen
Yeah.
to. Oh yeah.
Oh,
I can't. It's funny.
Yeah, no.
It's funny.
Yeah,
It's
no,
very
for
funny.
sure it
Even
is,
if
it is.
one time, anytime any four of us would say yeah, we would, the next person would just say yeah.
It was like that. What was that? Yeah, the thing. Shit,
staying
yeah.
alive. Staying alive. We're gonna get so copyrighted in this. Anyway, I give this, I think, an 8 year. I think this was good. This was great.
Give it a B, I feel.
B for me, I think.
B.
Fine, B, I guess. I think
B,
people are
big
gonna
dogs.
comment about how my ratings are more accurate than yours.
But guys, I don't think anything will be able to top the S tier, in which includes India winning the World Cup.
Oh, definitely.
But no, I think like things have come close.
What are you saying?
Honestly.
Which one?
Dude, come on. Don't you remember? Well, let me check my list. Oh, of course. The most relevant thing that happened this year, according to me, something that took over the entire internet,
Yeah.
and in like the best way possible, was Anant
And
Radaki. You cannot top that. I mean, if I had Ambani money, that is how I would conquer the internet.
Yeah.
We made
They
an entire
did it
fucking
right.
episode on that.
Yeah.
Come on.
We-
This
yeah.
had to be in the list.
Yeah.
Exactly.
No, it also was a very,
Yeah,
very iconic
exactly.
moment of the year.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
It gave birth to so many memes, so many
So
references
many, yes.
in pop culture. I feel like
You can't
can't
look
miss seeing it.
past like Radhika Ambani saying "Ek Joy Be."
Tron.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri
Ekdam Krishna
Ekdam
lage-
Krishna lage.
Yeah.
They have branded themselves so well through this,
I
and you
know.
can't tell me that this was all like
In the
fluke.
moment. Yeah.
It happened.
No.
This
They
was-
planned everything to the T, from her serving the
Laddu. or
food, the
whatever.
laddu, to the kid
And I'm
falling on
sure-
stage.
And rightfully so. Like, huh?
To the kid falling on stage.
Prithvi. Oh yeah.
Prithvi
gir gaya.
And then this one forgetting her own daughter's name.
Oh yeah.
Neeta Ambani.
And even like her, like Neeta Ambani's, what
Bahu.
ना बहू की माँ को क्या बोलते हैं?
Samdhi.
समधन
Samdhan.
उसकी जो समधन थी उसने उसको हग किया और चीक पे किस किया
और उसने
And she
पोछा.
wiped it.
Neeta
It's on
Ambani.
camera.
नीता अंबानी
Yeah.
wiped
And she made the face.
Oh shit.
Yeah. I'm not kidding.
Wow.
मुझे वापस
And we
4
also-
करोड़ का फेशियल कराना पड़ेगा shit.
Gold lagana padega. But also Kim and like Chloe coming to the wedding, like the guest
कहने
list.
को
Yeah,
just
yeah.
निभारा.
Kim
ठीक है
and
भाई.
I in a rickshaw in India.
गेट में रिक्शा सिर्फ वही ला सकते हैं.
या
और कोई नहीं ला
भाई वो
सकता.
गेटवे से रेडियो क्लब तक गए रेडियो क्लब से चल के आए वो
No, but I feel like that easily.
Oh yeah,
like a
ICNS.
yeah
easily.
ICNS for that
ICNS.
too.
Ambani wedding and S from me.
For
Yeah.
sure.
I think one more thing that happened on internet, like that kind of like took the internet by storm, was this group of Pakistani boys that review perfumes.
Oh yeah, I've seen them,
Bro, okay,
I think it's
so-
called Reviews by Nile or something.
There's school
Yeah.
going.
yeah.
Yeah.
So they like review, they like smuggle perfumes into school
Wow.
and they review them, and it's
Rebel.
so fun to watch.
Yeah.
But like my one gripe with this entire trend is that there is one guy in this friend group, and his name is Asher. His name is Asher, but he's Asher, and he has a mullet. And see, like I've been 15 once. I know. Okay, you know, you see like a lanky boy with a mullet who at times has a flower in his ears.
And is like
And it's
You're
cocky
pregnant.
about it.
Yeah, and he's
Of
cool.
course.
You're pregnant through the screen.
Yeah.
Sometimes, like, you're actually pregnant. Anyway, sorry. But yeah, that happens and I see it. But what weirds me out is that there is so many thirst traps about Mullet Guy or Asher at this point that, you know, it does seem a bit weird because, you know, he is in school.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
What?
And there's like, yeah.
I'm sorry, I'm not aware about this, but this is so weird.
Yeah,
Yeah,
he's
it's
so
so weird.
It's just these group of school-going guys that review perfumes,
Yeah.
and this guy Asher or Asher, he's just like.
Okay, he
getting-
looks good, but you
Yeah.
need.
Yeah,
need
but
to
like
be
the
a
women
fucking
really need to.
weirdo
he
for
has
that.
a
At that
mullet,
age.
bro.
Yeah.
Like honestly, I at 21, like my weakness is a mullet.
Yeah, but you're not going to target a school
Yeah.
going
Oh,
kid,
No,
right?
for sure.
Yeah,
But what
that's
I
the
mean by
difference.
that is that I get mullet.
No, I
So I
get
don't
it.
think
I
I-
get
No,
it.
we know you will not do that.
Yeah.
But it's weird that many women are
That's
doing
People
grown
watching this
women-
are strangers.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, what we're trying to get at is that grown women are doing this and it's really, really not okay.
It's not
Yeah.
okay.
that. The trend definitely I think would be a B for me.
But this, like, you add this fact, it takes it down to an F.
F, definitely.
F for sure.
F.
Definitely.
But like the trend in itself for these guys are really weird because they look like they know what they are talking about
Right.
and they have like a lot of
good
knowledge
knowledge,
about
yeah.
perfumes.
They're being funny goofy about it though.
Yeah, and I feel like that's great that their personalities like shine through it.
Yeah.
This
It's
entire
great.
podcast is a joke.
Yeah, I feel like even they also are starting a podcast or something.
Oh, I love
yeah,
that.
I can see it on their
Asher.
stories.
Azure.
Asher and Nile. Love
Ash
that
and
for you.
I
I'll-
love that.
Love
we
that
have
for you.
2 more seats over here. We can,
Yes.
if you can get through the board. So, my last point before we get to our last point was the rise of pop, like the resurrection of pop. I think while growing up, Kesha's TikTok was huge. And then that's like the only time where I felt like unapologetically listening to pop music.
Yeah.
But with the rise of Charlie XCX and club music, you have albums like Brat.
Yeah.
Brat was not an album, it was a culture. I
Culture.
mean, my phone has a line on it and it's green. I don't want to get it fixed because it's Brat. So, I mean, ask me. Honestly, I don't like Charlie XCX's Brat album as an album, but the culture around it and the vibe, like what is Brat and what isn't, that has such an impact and such a moment that, it deserves a tear of its own. But I want to
sure.
club this up with all of the, girls in like mainstream pop who like saw a rise. We saw like a very good album from Taylor Swift, as we always do.
Yep.
We saw
Sabrina Carpenter.
Sabrina
Sabrina
Carpenter's
Carpenter's.
breakout album.
Yeah.
We saw
Yeah.
Gracie Abrams. We saw Chappell Roan,
Yeah.
Rise and Fall of the Midwest Princess. That's like drugs, dude. Listen to that at the gym, please. Pink Pony Club. I was like listening to Pink Pony Club on the treadmill, and I had like I'm going through it, as we all know. But like I had like a tear down my eye.
Bro, even Diet Pepsi by Addison Rae.
Oh
like,
my
that
God.
is
Addison Rae
so
had a
good.
moment.
Good.
Addison Rae killed
She
it.
had a
Like-
moment and how?
Yeah.
Charlie D'Amelio could not do what Addison Rae did.
Yeah.
No, for sure.
But Addison Rae is also like kind of trying to be like Lana Del Rey, because Lana Del Rey is kind of out of the picture now. Like Diet Pepsi is literally Diet Mountain Dew.
I mean, good for
I see
her
it.
though. I mean,
Yeah.
like if she wants to do it,
Yeah.
like
Let her
It's
do
okay. Addison,
Yeah.
Addison Rae was one of the first people who I figured out was taking like fake mirror selfies. So you don't really
Oh my
have
God,
to
I think
take.
you told us this.
Yeah. And you don't have to take a mirror selfie in a mirror. You can just prop up a camera, take another phone,
And make it look like that.
make it look like there is a mirror, but there is no mirror.
Oh.
Yeah. So like if I do this, it's gonna look like, I'm taking a mirror selfie,
Yeah.
but there is no mirror. There's just another camera.
Didn't you know that?
Yeah.
I did.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Exactly.
We'll try it.
Oh.
Yeah.
But I feel the entire pop culture scene deserves an A.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah, for sure. This
I
was
feel like the
great,
music-
very impactful.
The music made this year was definitely. It just was a lot more better than what has happened in the previous years.
Dude, I forgot to mention this, but the Drake and
Kendrick Lamar.
Kendrick beef.
Beef.
Oh.
Oh, that's also an A.
Yeah.
That's also an A.
This also
That's an
A.
S, I feel.
That's an.
That's an A.
That's
I
not
feel.
an S.
That's
Because
an
it was a fabricated beef.
They not like us.
Yeah,
too
okay.
fucking good.
It was a fabricated beef.
I
You
don't-
can't convince me otherwise.
Yeah, of course not.
Come on, bro. They're huge.
Yeah, could be.
You can't do all of this without like going through your. They both have like managements and teams.
Yeah,
bro.
yeah, for
Could
sure.
be, could be.
I don't believe.
And how are you coming up with songs in like 4 minutes?
If you met a rapper before,
Yeah. But like, how are you releasing
Zia
them?
took that very personally.
How are you releasing them? That's the
But
thing.
yeah.
no, it's like they get a beat. They always have beats on hand, and then like they have a studio in their house and वो record करके डाल देते हैं, bro.
Cool.
अच्छा मेरे बारे में ऐसे बोला रुक तेरे पे गाना बनाता हूँ
No, that's exactly what it is.
gone up no like I'm not dissing.
Such brain
I'm
rot.
not dissing rappers, but. So okay, this is going to be a quick rapid fire round where we're going to be narrating like a couple of like 7-8 brain rot that has happened in 2024.
Okay.
And we're going to rate it fadafad, okay?
Fadafad.
Yes.
So first we have is juice pila do.
Mosambi ka.
C.
C tier.
C.
Good,
Yeah, C.
memeable.
C.
Quick,
Yeah,
quick.
C.
कौन सी कलर की चड्डी पहने हैं?
A.
S. S.
For sure. It
No.
happened
Sure
recently.
S.
It has
A.
to be an S.
Okay.
S.
Okay, let's give it an
S and A. Okay, whatever.
Whatever.
Chind mak dum dum.
D.
D.
E.
I feel like a D or E.
E tier. down.
E. Okay.
E.
What about laddu muttaya?
A.
A. Definitely A. I want to see more
A
of it,
for
but
sure.
not
I really
too
wanna
much.
see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. A.
A.
Chalti firti cocaine.
I like the sound
B.
effect that goes with it.
Yeah.
B. B.
Yeah.
B.
B. It actually creeps me out.
Yeah.
Pookie baba.
S.
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 Really, I
S.
feel A.
Actually, yeah, I see that. A.
Yeah.
A.
कोई तुमसे प्यार क्यों ही करेगा? That is so iconic, bro.
Bro, but the thing is, he still comes on reels with new content, so he's definitely an A.
He came on Big Boss.
S.
We
S.
have to give him some credit.
Yeah.
Exactly.
S.
Yeah. S for sure.
Okay.
S.
Sapne dekhna.
A. Bitch. A.
Yeah, A.
A for sure.
Sapne dekhna is A.
A for sure.
A for sure.
Do we have anything else?
Jian hai aap.
That's a D, bro.
E.
E or D?
D, right?
Like, that's lame as fuck.
D.
Fun,
But yeah,
fun.
notice how none of them were F.
Yeah.
It's because Brain Rot slapped this year.
It
Yeah.
was too fucking good.
Too good.
It was
Like,
very good.
good.
One of the
Oh
best
my
brain
God.
rots.
Wait. Can we continue the tier list? पहले बीच में कहीं डाल देना. Okay? Guys, छोटू सा बेचारा मेरे में.
I knew this.
S.
This is a fucking
Acne on men.
S.
Acne on men.
Acne on men.
Acne on men.
Acne on men, I have to give it like a B.
A or a B, bro?
I would
A or
give
B
it
because
a B.
I don't quite agree.
तेरा मुंह देख. No, that's actually quite clear. It's beautiful.
Yeah. I mean, what do you mean? Acne.
Yeah.
Touch wood.
I feel okay. Now, last brain rot. I feel has to be Besharam.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do
S
it.
के भी ऊपर भाई.
S के ऊपर है क्या?
S के ऊपर बेशरम है.
No, I feel Besharam is definitely going into the next year.
On a whole was such a big part of our year. Like,
Yeah.
for
definitely.
sure.
I really
We're
want to
6
get
months into it now.
Yeah.
We're celebrating a 6-month.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And then it's like a year and 3 months since we started working. A year and 6 months since we started working.
Yeah.
So like
Wow.
since the first meeting, which I don't even remember when this was because we did not think anything would happen.
Happen.
Of
June or
this.
July
exactly.
of last
July
year.
is the 15 July is the day we shot the first episode,
And we
and
scrapped
before
it.
that, and we
So it was
scrapped
easily
it.
in May. Then we had our like first
meeting.
It's May 2023.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I feel like another thing that like felt like a slap to my face was I remember this time where I was 2 times actually. The first one I was at the airport. I was dropping my mom. Like my dad and I were dropping my mom to the airport, and I was like waiting for my mom to get in or whatever. ठीक है? And there's this one guy who looked like he was in his early to mid 20s, and he looked at me like as if he recognized me. And I was like, oh wait, am I having my moment right now where I'm going to get
Yeah.
recognized? And he comes up to me and he's smiling and he's like, can you take a picture of us?
Oh shit. You know it happened.
It is like set up betrayal.
No, because why are you smiling at me from like 10 feet away? You know?
I'll tell you, it happens when you least expect it because
Yeah,
I
yeah,
recently
yeah,
went to a
same.
Diljit's concert and I was at the drinks section getting drinks for me and my friend. And my friend was mere aage, I was standing behind him. And there was this one girl, she was at the counter getting her drinks and she just like looked behind to like ask her friend if what he wanted. And she looked behind and then she looked in the front and she looked at me and she's like, "You're from Beshram, right?"
Yeah, crazy.
Oh shit.
I didn't give 2 shits
Something-
about the concert. That shit made my day.
Oh wow.
You know, something really similar to that happened with me. I was traveling in local train, and that's when like one girl came up to me, and I'm like, she's maybe asking for directions. Okay, she's like, "Hi, are you Srishti from Besharam?" And then I was like,
Exactly.
and that was like the early times when we were blowing up.
Right.
Oh shit.
Yeah, so she was like, I see your reels. I like them.
How
And then she told that she went onto YouTube and then she started watching the
Dude, even my Sangeet choreographer,
Videos.
he's like, मैंने आपका reel देखा Instagram पे. I'm like,
Oh.
Cute.
Did your
so cute.
like घर के नीचे का some
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. So I have a vada pav wala ka, like there is a small chawl next to my building, and one of them, like they have a vada pav ka gadi near a tree near my house, and there is a dukan that I usually go to, like normal kirane ka dukan hai niche, and वहाँ से मैंने कुछ लिया, and I was literally coming for a shoot, and I was dressed up and
Yeah.
everything, and Titika was waiting on the opposite side of the street, and this boy who is sitting selling vada pavs, humble boy, he stops me in my tracks and he's like, आप वो दीदी हो ना, मैंने आपको फोन पे देखा.
oh.
We're just like, my day. And I was just, if he would have asked me one more question, I would be like, तू आ साथ में एक और है,
Shoot देख ले तू.
तू शूट, हाँ तू आ, जब तू बैठ जा, चलेगा, मैं तेरे
आज
सारे
वाला
वड़ा पाव
चलेगा.
खरीद लेती हूँ आज
This
के लिए.
one moment compares nothing to the amount of hate that we get.
Exactly.
It
Honestly, yeah.
doesn't even compare.
Compare does not.
Haters gon' hate.
Yeah, man.
yeah
So, it gaff.
Wow.
it gaff.
Yeah.
We've really come a very long way from like yapping in my house to now
Wow.
Yapping somewhere else.
professionally.
Yeah. Professionally.
And like, guys,
Professionally.
if you guys think like some of the things that we say are cringe, like you cannot sit with us.
yeah.
You can't. We
That's
are
the door, bitch. That's the door.
अबे इधर है.
So before we leave you for today, please, I have a little request for you. If you could just head on over to your Spotify, give us a good follow, and rate us 5 stars so that I can come to your house personally and give you a 5-star chocolate.
And also don't forget to follow us on Instagram at We Are Beshram.
And if
And-
you've watched up until here, comment the reverse emoji in the comments below so we know you've stayed up until here.
And I'm gonna see.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we're gonna see.
We are.
We're
Best believe we're gonna
taking
check
a-
it.
We're making a list and checking it twice.
Yeah, yeah.
Christmas is long gone by now.
Who's been good and who's been bad?
Wow.
Naughty or nice, we don't care. We love you. Also, guys, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
everyone.
Yeah.
And while you're at it, subscribe to our channel, like this video, comment down below what are your thoughts and what were the moments you felt while watching Besharam were like worthy of including in this recap.
So we'll see you next
Yes.
year. Until then.
Stay
Stay
patient.
patient.
Bye.